These are our new solar panels from Grape Solar. They're 300 watts. There's two of them. So we're going to add 600 watts to our system, which is now running on 440 watts. And I'll take you up and show you those in a minute. Right now I've got part of my stand laid out, and I need to cut some metal. And this is what the solar panels are going to be mounted on. So this house is totally off-grid, and it's powered by those solar panels and a 10,000 watt generator, which I'll show you after a while. So this is the back of the solar panels, and this is the frame that I'm going to be building to mount the other solar panels on, our new solar panels. And note the backing plate right here. That keeps the wind from blowing the solar panels out. As we get 70-mile-an-hour winds, and we have nothing to block the wind, as you can see. Kind of a territorial view. You'll see Mount Rainier off in the distance there. And at times we can see, yeah, there's Mount Hood. Not Mount Hood, Mount Adams, sorry. So we get a lot of wind here. So they'll have to be built pretty sturdy. This is our 10,000 watt Cummins Onan generator, and this will charge the batteries. And I've got 14 12-volt batteries under the house, and wired in a series to create 24-volt system. And that's a 500-gallon diesel tank to run the generator. Today I'm running the shop with my 6500 Honda generator. And I can run the shop with the main generator if I want, or with the 6500. And today I'm going to be cutting some stainless to make extensions for the panel here. Okay, there's one side cut, and we're working on the second one. Well, our second piece is done. So both frames are tacked together. So the panels are all welded together, and I'm going to start putting the backer plates on. And this will protect it from wind. So I got the braces for the stand all ready to go. They just need to be welded on, they're tacked. And I worked on the handles. I got them all done. So the stand is coming along. Okay, we're going to be pouring the base for the solar panels today. We've already got it dug. That's what we're going to be doing today. It's on now.
Okay, just push this button.
No, it's on. It's on.
Yeah. Make it look nice. Make it pretty.
I'll just pretend that I'm
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can walk up and kind of.
Oh, sure.
See, now you're an expert.
Beautiful. That is beautiful.